and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So for today I'm bringing you two easy Halloween looks. The first one is the angel one, and I'm starting off to put on some contacts and also my angel wings to kind of inspire me to do the look. And for primer I'm going in with Kyliecosmetics face primer, and then for foundation I'm going in with ABH luminous foundation because I want something very glowy. I want this look to be very glowy, and I just mix it with some First Solid Care drops. And yeah, it's a little bit darker. I didn't want it to be this dark, so I went with a super lighter concealer to kind of balance things off. I really didn't want to remove the foundation, so I just went in with the Kyliecosmetics skin concealer in the shade Bone and just kind of balance things out. Then for powder, I'm going in with the translucent powder from Kyliecosmetics. And I just bake for a couple of seconds. I don't like to bake too long. I just apply it and then quickly wipe it off. And then I'm going in with Kyliecosmetics bronzer in Tequila 10. I love the bronzers and blushes from Kyliecosmetics. They are one of my favorites. Again, Kyliecosmetics blush. And this one is Betty on the Block, one of my favorites. I really like it because it's not like super pigmented. Is that type of powders that you can build up, and I hate when it's super pigmented and you could just mess things up. So I really like how buildable it is. Then I just like remove the foundation from my lips and I'm moving into brows. For brows I chose to go in with Kyliecosmetics brow pencil in dark brown. I wish I went a little bit lighter on my brows. I feel like they got too dark, but yeah, it's okay. So for the eyes, I went with Cocoa palette and I just did like a normal bronzed kind of look. And for my lid, I went with that very beautiful white shimmer shade that I absolutely love, and I feel like it's perfect for this look. I really wanted something white, and on top of it I went with the Fentybeauty Diamond Bomb highlighter, one of my favorite highlighters, and I feel like it's the perfect thing for this look. But like any white shimmer will do. And I also went in with the glitter. This one is from ABH, and it just like to make the look pop a little more. Then I went and applied some lashes off camera. I kind of regret my lash choice, but it's okay. And then I went with Tatcha to make my skin super dewy, super glowy. And again, Diamond Bomb from Fentybeauty. I really wanted this look to be super dewy and glowy, so I went with a lot of highlighter basically everywhere, especially on the high points of my face. I just went in because I really wanted to look super glowy. And then I went with some like clear gloss from Kyliecosmetics as well. Time for the rhinestones, so I just like got a little inspired by Euphoria and I just went in with the rhinestones. I just like put them everywhere. Then I went in with the shimmer body oil from IBH. This is like my favorite thing. It makes like your body super shimmery and glowy, and it's super easy to use. And I also applied some rhinestones on my body, on my neck, my arms, just to make the look pop even more. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the angel look. As you guys can see, it was super easy. This took me like about 20 minutes to do. It was super easy. And now it's time for the devil. So I'm a little devil, you guys can see. I'm already happy to do this look. For my brows I wanted to go red, so I chose some Kyliecosmetics red lipsticks and just did my brows how I would normally do them when using a pomade. And went a little darker on the edges and then on the front a little lighter. And using this Huda Beauty palette, I just used the dark red shade to kind of set the brow, and then normally just like carving the brow, prepping my eye for the eyeshadow. I wanted to go super bold. I want everything red in this look, so I just applied some like red eyeshadow on my crease and really bring that out and upwards. And then I just went in and cut my crease with the P. Louise base. Then to fix the lines and to give the look a little bit of more depth, I just went in with the red eyeshadow in a small brush and kind of fixed everything. And now I'm using tape for this black winged liner, and I'm just using a black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette because I know this way I won't mess up. It's super easy to do and super fast, while when you use like a normal eyeliner you can mess up and then you have to redo it, and I just wanted to do it super quick, so I went with black eyeshadow and then glitter liner on top. And then with lashes, I just love this choice a lot more. Then for primer, I'm going in with the NYX primer. And for foundation, Faux filter from Huda Beauty, which is a very high coverage foundation, and I just love it. And for concealer, I'm just going in with the Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. It's one of my favorites, and just apply that on my eyes, on my forehead, my chin, my nose, just like the normal highlighting, and then blending it out. And to set my makeup in place, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Easybake in Pound Cake. I'm not even baking, I'm just like setting the makeup on place because this foundation is super high coverage, so I just wanted like to kind of set it. Then I'm going in with some dark pencil because I want my under eye to be super black and dark, and this pencil is the perfect thing for that. And then I'm just gonna like blend it out with a little bit of a red shade to give the look a more devil kind of feel, kind of vibe. I'm going in with red eyeshadow and apply it where I normally bronze or contour, and I chose to do this because it's easier than just painting yourself all red. It looks super cool when I paint myself all red, but this is more of a super quick Halloween tutorial, so I find it by using eyeshadow it kind of makes things easy, but it still gives that little devil vibe. And for highlighter, I chose to go with Diamond Bomb from Fentybeauty, one of my favorites. It really make everything pops. And for the lips, again, red. I just wanted red everywhere, and this is like the Mary Jo K lip liner from Kyliecosmetics, and then the Boss Matte Liquid Lipstick, which is super bright and super red, so I feel it was perfect for this look, but I still wanted something more, so I went in with glitter, and I feel like it gave this look a nice touch, but you can obviously choose not to use the glitter, it will look cool as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this look and for these looks, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you did like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys can get inspired, and happy Halloween. I see you guys on my next one.